Okushaba oku kwahebwayo abajwekirwa ba President Museveni omu municipality ya Mubende obu baba bari aha mukoro gw'okujweka eminyeeto erikurenga 12 abatungira obukugu omu myogo etari emwe n'emwe aha mukoro gwaba aha kishaayi ekya Mayor's Gardens omu municipality ya Mubende. Sarah Musimenta hamwe na Stephen Semango bombi bari abahwezi b'omujwekiro wa President Municipality ya Mubende nabagira ngu President Museveni atireho buri muringo gwona okurebeka ngu eminyeeto yayetungura bite eminyeeto emwe terikufayo munonga ekiri omu mizaano.
Teba kulimba tekakati Museveni afuze nnyo era kakati obwavu yabutusanya kulimba President wa mwenda bajjajja muleta taba mu President omulala baliwo Museveni leta kalina ezo zitwala nete nazitunda balabe mutwegwe ebintu ebikyanga otya.
Omuntu obutasoma si kugamba nti talina ssente kyokka. Wabeeramu ensonga nnyingi ezigaana omuntu okusoma nga si musiru naye n'alemererwa okusoma oluusi n'atandika n'atuuka wakati. Naye twebaza President Museveni, twebaza NRM, twebaza omukulembeze omulungi atufuddeko ffenna nga tasosodde muntu n'ogu omuntu ng'oyo omugyawo nga si Katonda.
Meya wa municipality ya Mubende ashabira eminyeeto okukora n'amaani kandi batwaze gye nikwe beeyongere kugira entaasya mpango hamwe n'entunguka eri aha musingi ogugumire.
Obulamu bukyali bwammwe temupapa wakafuluma omwaka gumu oyagala enju ya bukadde 5 oyagala emmotoka ya $386,000 awe mutomerera. Ogenda mu bazungu afuna enju nga alina emyaka 6 wano mwagala mufune amaka amalungi ku myaka 3 ate bw'omala okugakola n'ogatwala mu banka n'ogakola ki ate ne zikulema okusasula ne bakola ki oyo si kwetemukeera oyo.
We appreciate you so much and we don't take that lightly as well. To the artisans who are the masters who have turned the wobbly hands of our graduates from just shaky people who came with small dreams and fears into people with skills that are yet to be shown in the world. We thank you so very much.
Hope Grani yanakazibwe omunyeshenjero kazi wa municipality ya Mubende nagira ngo kushagika eminyeeto y'ihanga nekikweraho munonga okutungura ihanga na munonga baba bine emirimo eyibari kukora. Hope nagira ngu eminyeeto yaba nekora government nayo neba netunga emishoro kandi cyongera obuhereza aha Abanya-Uganda.
You know what it means to our country. All it means to our country is one. These are job creators. They can employ others. Secondly, these are people who had dropped out of school, who thought their life had come to an end, but life has been rejuvenated within them. These are people who are going to start earning taxes to our country, Uganda. Because we are always encouraged by Uganda, build Uganda, but at times we run out of options.
Hope ashabira eminyeeto okuba besigwa omu mirimo yabo nikwe babase kuba n'abakasitoma bingi kibahwere kutunguka.
So thank you for investing. Nelson Mandela once said that when you educate someone, that's a pillar in this world. But I would love to tell you that the skills you have obtained, those are the weapons that you're going to show in the world.
Okwiha mu mwaka gw'2020 ekitongole kya URDT kitendekera eminyeeto emitwaro 7 abakazi emitwaro 4,350 abashaija emitwaro 2,650 hamwe n'empungi 1,272 makuraga gashakwa Onesimus Turiahabwe.
Congratulations and celebrate.